Hey guys, Kenji Koji here, and we're gonna be taking a look at the DX Engine Gattai series engine. I got this guy for Christmas, so yeah, there's that. We'll be taking a look at Speedor first. Well, yeah, it's Speedor. He looks how he did in the show, for the most part. This is his engine cast. Let's go over this first, because I don't want to have to go over it again. Since this is a DX Engine Gattai series engine, the toy comes with a Speedor's engine soul. Yeah, either mine's broken or it's out of battery, but do I care? No. Why? I don't like electronic toys. Well, with the exception of iPad, PS Vita, PS4, etc. So yeah, there's that. Good detail for the most part. He's lasted for a long time at least, because these toys were released 2008, so yeah. You can also enter Condor mode. Yeah. Those who watch the series can enter Condor mode while taking on all those Gaiarc pollution minister guys, I guess. I haven't watched this series in years, so yeah. There's Speedor. While this set does not come with BRB's or Buson's engine soul, you can still insert it to wrong place. You can still insert it to the other slots where their engine souls would go. For example, you can place Speedor soul in Buson's cast, which is odd. And you can also place Speedor soul in BRV. Oh shoot. So yeah, there's that. Now, the only way to get the other souls is either by a candy toy package, or you can go ahead and get the Monton gun and the Highway Buster toys just to get these guys' souls, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to get role-playing weapons. Look at engine number 2. Yes, Buson. It says Go On Jury right there. And then the American toy, it says Power Ranger. I'll get to that later. So, yeah. Good detail for the most part. Has the engine soul slot, as I said before. And has the Go On Sword slot. I'm going to take that out. It's the size of an engine soul cartridge. That I don't understand. Not only that, this may look small on camera, but this thing is huge compared to the American version. Well, it's not big, but like, it's really thick. Like, really thick. So yeah, there's that. Hey, why do I have to put this in a specific position just for it to go in? Anyway, again, good detail for the most part. Oh yeah, in the first episode, just like when they were attacking the Gaiarc ministers, there you go. It also comes with the little missile detail here. So yeah, even though it can't stay up that well. So yeah, there's the how should I say this? Underside of Buson, the other side of Buson, the left side of Buson, the back of Buson, and the front of Buson. So yeah, there's Buson. Time to look at the smallest engine, Bear RV. Yeah. There's her engine soul slot. Again, just like the other ones, good detail for the most part. It can enter its attack mode by putting that up. Yeah, it's a bear, and for some reason this is considered to be its jaw, I guess, and it would bite down on the Gaiarc Empire ships, whatever they're called. Again, I have not watched this series in years. Again, good detail. There's the V-shield. Oh shoot, I said V-shield. There's the back side. There's the underside, the left, the right, and the back. So yeah, there's Bear RV. I think it's about time we combine these three to Engine O. So, Engine Gattai. Wow, this guy still holds up after 9 years? Yeah, 2008. This was released 2008. So, yeah. It still looks pretty good, as I said. King of Engines himself. Wow, I never realized how stupid that sounded. The King of Engines. Anyway, so yeah. Engino's articulation just has 2 points. Well, let's see. Well, yeah. 2 points, 4 points. 360 ratchet at his arm. And finger posability. Apart from that, nothing else. Also, if you want to go ahead and attach Burka on this arm, well, if there's a separate engine called Engine Burka, the Shark. If you want to attach Burka, you can go ahead and do that over there. You're trying to make Engine OG6 and all, you know what I mean? And if you're trying to attach Gunford, do the same for the other arm. And if you're trying to make Engine OG9/G12, G12 is just an updated G9, it's this. Yeah, and you need the other engines. For example, if you're trying to make G9/G6, you need Carrigator for the legs, Gunford for the left arm, Burka for the right arm, and yeah, you're trying to make Engine OG9, you know, Burka here, Gunford there, Carrigator down there, Jumbo Whale at the back, Torpter here, Jetris here, and yeah. Sadly, the only other one I have is Kyoritsuo, which I'll get to later. Now, what else? Oh yeah, here he is compared to Shinkano. As you can see, he's taller, and just like Kyoritsuo, I will do a review on him. And here he is compared to his American counterpart. Yeah, this one's been through heck. The High Octane Megazord. My customized one because I destroyed their eyes here, etc., etc. As you can see, Engino seems to be based off more of the CGI model used in the series, whereas High Octane Megazord seems to be based more on the suit. You see, with the fists and all. Which, to be honest, the fists only benefit in Megazord mode. When they're in Zord mode, like for example when Speedo tries to, when the Eagle Zord tries to go to its Condor mode, his hands are supposed to go out, which means that the fists are kind of a problem in Zord mode. So yeah, let's compare these two bad boys in their vehicle mode. And here they are back in their Zord mode. So yeah, key differences: see, Japanese ones are bigger, American ones are smaller. The Japanese ones have more detail. Not only that, the Japanese ones have sound effects with the engine soul cartridges and all. So yeah. Also, remember how I said earlier, Japanese one takes the Sentai name. Dang it, focus. That's not focusing well, but it's hard to see, but it says Goanger. So that's the Sentai name. Or over here, it's set on the American one. Dang it, focus. It says Power Ranger. Different from the Goanger, shouldn't I say? Also, again, I ripped these stickers out, but if you had the original one, these have more menacing eyes than these. So, yeah. What else? Oh, Japanese ones have more paint apps. Like I said, more detail. You know what I mean? Like that brown piece is present on Bearer V, while the brown piece is not present on... What was your name in American dub? Bear Crawler. So, yeah. Also, one really nice aspect I like about the Japanese one the locks. So you know when you're trying to transform these guys. Sorry, the camera. Let me just get this on. Sorry. So you know when you're trying to transform these guys, you just slide one on another. Now for the American one, let me do it here. There's American, there's Japanese. Big size difference. So yeah. Let me put this on pop tripod thing. You know what, the tripod thing's not gonna work at the moment, sorry. Sorry. Let me put this back. So, yeah. So, for a bear crawler, you can just simply do this. Which makes things more prone to coming off easily. As for this one, wait, yeah, see, it can't do, it really doesn't come out, which is a good thing, because, well, when you're playing with the thing, it will come apart, like high octane. So how do you get her out then? Well, just like, there's a small lock right there. That black piece, okay, that black piece on bus on, and when you press down on it, comes out. Simple. Same with Speedor. The American one can come out easily. Speedor also has a lock. See, this is the lock on Bear RV that is used to take out Speedor. So yeah, that's a big plus for the Japanese one. Now let's get them back in Megazord mode. Here they are in robot mode. So yeah. They have the same articulation basically, just again, cheap plastic, locks, etc, etc. You know that, all that. So yeah. I'd say that the engine is based off the CGI model, while High Octane is based off the suit, because it has the fists, bigger Speedor than Bear V, while these guys are basically equal in size here. So yeah, same articulation, etc, etc. Just missing the fingers from High Octane because, you know, has fists. Now here's the funny thing. This is the go-on sword from Engino. It's big, right? Look how thin the Super Saber from this guy is compared to this is ridiculous. So yeah. Anyway, I feel like Engino is gonna last way longer. And yeah, there's that. Now, I'm just trying to go ahead and restore this guy to its former glory. As you can see, I took some paper, glued some paper. I glued some paper there with drawn eyes. So, trying to restore him and customize him at the same time, because you know I panel lined Speedor quite a bit. So this is Kenji Koji signing out. Like, comment, subscribe, of course, to Like and Wish Productions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.